In this video, I will show you exactly how to organize your multiple forms into dedicated group folders using Typeform. If your workspace is starting to feel a bit cluttered, utilizing these folders is the best way to keep your projects arranged and easy to find. To get started, you first need to look at the left-hand side panel of your dashboard where all of your organizational structures are managed. In the world of Typeform, these dedicated group folders are officially called workspaces, and they serve as the primary way to categorize your work. To begin the setup process, simply look for and click on the Create Workspace button. This button is typically located near the bottom of your current workspace list or right next to the main workspace's header. Once you click that, a prompt will appear for you to enter title. You should type a clear and descriptive name for your new group folder at this point. For example, you might name it something like Marketing Campaigns, Client Feedback, or Internal Surveys, depending on what you are working on. After typing the name, go ahead and click the Create button to finalize the new folder. Now that your new area is ready, you will want to move your existing forms into this specific folder. To do this, navigate back to your main workspace or whichever folder currently contains your active forms. Now find the specific form card you want to relocate and hover your mouse over it. You will see an icon with 3 dots in the corner. Click on those 3 dots to open up the Options menu, and then select the Move to option from the drop-down list. From there, just choose your newly created folder workspace from the list that appears and click Move. Your form will instantly be transferred to its new home, making your entire Typeform account much more organized and professional for your daily workflow.